The ingredients of what that offense entails are all got from the provisions of the law. So in this instance, according to the charge sheet, it is alleged that you either printed, either you published, you made or you uttered orally a statement, or you did an act which is likely to promote in any other way feelings of among or against, in this case, the Nyankole women ministers, which statements are likely to promote hostility, hatred, or ill will against members of the Nyankole tribe.
Now, and what we are saying is, should you feel you cannot hear this application now, what she's saying, probably you order that she's taken to hospital and she's brought back here to room.
I know my back, it is not the doctor who knows it, it is me, and my people know, that's why they were holding me. I cannot be on those things even tonight. I was thinking when they thought they were bringing me home, I would go to Sirajim there to go to the back. I cannot, madam, you can't kill me tonight. I'm not running away, I'm a Ugandan citizen, I'm not, oh my God.
That I order for you today to go to the hospital. At least, I don't know that order. That's why I've asked counsel to explain to me, at least if they could cite for me where the High Court has granted such an order. Because right now, there are some things you're not considering. It is